So let's see. Hit that button there. And then hit this button here. And there we go. Off to take some videos of the corn. We're about to remove a lot of wood, so I want to get a before and after. So here's the before. Here we go. Alright, we're going to try to go over to the barn and see what it looks like now that we've removed a bunch of the wood and get the update. So here we go. Let's see.
Home point updated.
Oh, home point updated. Oh, at least it said it was.